Hi crafters, it's Hannah from HanCrafted Creations. Welcome to my channel today. This is the card that I'm going to be showing you how to make today. It's this absolutely gorgeous little card using the Jar of Love stamp set. I've been using this stamp set all week and it's still one of my all-time favourites. We'll be using the new in colours as well, so I'll show you how I put this together and all that good stuff. So let's get started. Okie dokie, so I'm starting off today's card with a lovely lipstick card base, which is just lush. Love that colour. Zoom in a bit more. And I've got a piece of Whisper White that's going to go on the front, so we're going to work on this piece. So firstly on here I'm going to stamp, let me grab everything I need. The sentiment is gonna go at the top, and I want the word, I can grab it, hello, and then around that I want some flowers. So I want that one, that one, that one, I think, and that guy. So I'm going to stamp that first, just so we've got enough room for that, and then the other bits that we're going to do at the bottom. So I'm going to stamp that in black. So I've got the memento. So I want that out there, and yep, pretty much in the middle, and then we're just going to stamp some flowers around that. So I've got that one, and they have to be lovely lipstick. So I'm going to stamp and then stamp off first. Do I want more? Yeah. So stamp, stamp off. And then stamp. That's so cute. And then for the highlight, stamp. We'll just stamp directly with the real red. So you've got the two tones, real red. Lovely lipstick. Whoop! Nearly dropped it. Okie dokie. There. Oh, that's so pretty. I love, love, love this colour. And then I've got a block for the leafy bit. And let me just have a look. I think I'll kind of go in between. Yeah, not every flower, just every other, I think. Yeah, that looks good. And this little flower will go pineapple punch. So every other flower again I love that. So simple. Okay. I'm not going to use the heart, I don't think, actually, no. I think I've got enough with that as it is. So next I want the jars. I want all 3 jar sizes. And I want the water and the lids. I think that is it. So I'm going to have the 3 jars with 3 different colours in the jars, and one of them is going to be popped up. So I'm going to stamp. That one's going to be stamped on, that one's going to be stamped on, and then this one is going to be popped up over the 2. So I'll stamp them in black. Oh gosh. So the 2 smaller ones are at the back, and then the bigger one's going to be at the front. So there's one, and I've gone as far over as I could over to the right hand side. Excuse me. And then this one to the left hand, and I'm going up a little bit from the bottom. Like so. And then the last one, I'm going to stamp it on a piece of scrap, and then, oh man, just stuck my fingers in the ink. Then I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so for each jar I want a different colour in the jar and for the lid. So what I mean by that is, so for the biggest one we'll have lovely lipstick, and you've got this stamp that fills in the jar. So line it up with the bottom. Like so. Oh, that looks awesome. And then the lid, I'm going to stamp and die cut it out. So I'll die cut that separately. This is so stiff. Oh. Okay. And then I want one that's pineapple punch. Probably should have done the lighter colour first, so make sure that your stamp is really, really clean so you don't get a transfer of colours. So just really scrubbing that. There we go. So in this one, same stamp, line it up with the bottom. There. And for the lid, same thing again. Just make sure that's clean. So pineapple punch lid. Cool. And then the last one, I think I will go with Grapefruit Grove. So ink that up. And there. And another lid as well. There. So I'm just going to go and die cut these bits and then we can put it all together. So back in a sec. Okie dokie, so I've got those cut out and I've got all over my thing. Right, I'll put this together. So this is going to go directly onto my card base. I love this colour. That trays. Okay, then the lids I'll put on to each one. Like so. And this one, whoops. Okay, then I put the lid on this one and then pop it up with the dimensionals, the whole thing. So, lid on. Where's the dimensionals? Come on. There we go. I'll pop that about there. That lid's not on straight, but oh well. So there you go. So I hope that you have enjoyed this week's projects using the Jar of Love stamp set and the dies, and using the new ink colours as well. So let me know if there's another stamp set you would like me to feature for the week. That's kind of what I'm going for now, a stamp set of the week. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I will pop another video over there for you using the Jar of Love stamp set, and then just something else that you might enjoy. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.